Today, let's unbox Antiquaria's Calligraphy Starter Kit. I want to show you everything that it includes. It includes a packet of instructions, paper, guides, and exemplars, a straight pen holder, 2 nibs, and a bottle of ink. The instructions include details on getting started, using your guide sheet, setting up your pen, and so much more. From personal experience, we know that all calligraphy supplies are definitely not created equally. This is why our professional calligrapher, Bailey Rivera, curated this inclusive kit with all of her favorites to set you up for success. We hope our kit helps you fall in love with your calligraphy practice and that the journey adds joy to your life. Be sure to check out our in-depth calligraphy kit setup video once you have supplies in hand and are ready to get to lettering.